welcome to Jacob's YouTube channel. Enjoying a wonderful evening with a beautiful bonfire. Got my tiki torches up and lit. It's a beautiful night, around 66 degrees. And I'm just enjoying life. Sound of the bonfire, sound of the crickets and other insects. It's just so relaxing. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I suggest going down there and hitting the subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. Now we're just gonna enjoy the sounds of the fire. Man, I love fire. I am definitely a firebug. The bigger the fire, the better. Again, if you like these videos, remember to like and subscribe. I don't know if you can hear the crackling of the fire or hear the crickets in the background, but it is so relaxing. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And with that, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for watching my videos. Peace out, guys, and see you in the next video.